Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Ahsaan Yaseen and you are watching Ahsaan Yaseen YouTube channel. So that's we are going to complete this paper, Cambridge International A's and A level Information Technology 9626. This is paper 2 in practical. Paper 2 is always practical. So October November 2022, 2 hours 30 minutes the time of this paper. So please read instructions on yourself. So we will proceed to the next step. We are going to complete the video section, video and audio editing. Here we will create the video and we complete the audio and video section here. So as N22 CSV, ignore. So we will take two these that N22 TO.mp4. This is the video file, and 22 voiceover.mp3. This is the audio file, right? So we are going to start from here. You must use the most application, blah blah blah, at the game. Create a new document to use, add an evidence document, right? So save this document in rich text format. Okay, so this is the type of this format. So we rename this RTF file like this, copy. So what we will do, I will copy this, then I will come to my source file folder. That is, I will make evidence file work here. Yeah, let's just then 22. .tsx. I have to change the file type to file, save this,
and that
the same core doc with the name of part here. Here we are. So insert the header. After that, we will turn here and made over Ahsaan Yaseen. Balances. Then you would write here control number. Then again, here is the center, right? Okay. Double click on it. I just save my evidence file. Here is the evidence. So I will delete this DOCX file. So that there is no confusion right now. I'm just done it. Place your name. I'm done with this evidence file with header. Say here it is fine. I'm done. Right. So you work with one high school. Choose the 12 blah blah blah. Now, right. The original video clip was recorded GBRW, and the audio was recorded by KMB audio. Right. So keep the T stays in your mind. Right. Point number 1. Open the file N22 TO.mp4. So what I will do. N22 TO.mp4 will open this file in my software. Video editing software. That is moving vehicle. Wow. We'll open this. Well, we'll we'll add the email. And 22 TO.mp4. Okay. So guys, so this is the this is file like. So first of all, I'm just done with it. Make sure the aspect ratio is 69. So I will click on the view project. So here is the white screen. So the project is 69 ratio, right? I remove all the remove the end of the clip so that only the first 22 seconds remain. So we need to make this video up to 22 seconds. So what I would do is supposed to yeah, this is the 22 second, right? Slightly not right. 22. Okay. I even don't simply keep going down. Spin it right. So now I have two frames. I will use the second frame. So my file is 22. Alright. Let's play things again. I just want this file exactly in 22. And yield. After delete to the plate. Secure yellow. Now my file is 22 seconds. My file is of 22 seconds. Exactly 100%. Alright, so what I will do next. The next pattern. Okay. Remove all the sound from the revenue as So I don't decide. I will check on this. Come on the video side. And we do on the video. Arch what to right and click on this PCS. So there is no audio here. I'm just done with the point where one is done. 7 marks are secured, and yeah, it is saying no, sorry. Use painted video to involve the crowd on the left side. Keep it up. So he said remove this audience for the left side, right? So we're going to previsions and panel zoom. Click on this and check one by one which one is the good frame. Yeah, here is the best frame. I just liked it. And audio's on the left side is removed, right? And management is there until the end, right? Okay. To the next. What's next? Say your video project with your clip in MP4 and make sure you have it when your video is saved in .mp4 format. And what I will do is simple syntax. And we'll click on this. Save movie. Going to check my videos resolution. I will click on this customize. W20. Okay. So here comes this again. Save the movie in the recommended project. So the recommended project alone in MP4. So he's saying they with tier 2 with this name. Okay. Copy and I'm going to place here, paste here, and save. And so guys, this is my movie. The name of tier 2 and you will do it MP4 format. It's going to save some time. Cut. Alright, so why we need to save. Take the point number 2 is he's saying take a still take a stick. No, let me check this out. Where is it? This is the tier 2 file. Okay. Primarily next, take a still image of the first RAM of the clip in the first step and save it to the name of tier 1. Okay, so I will take a screenshot. This is the first frame. Started frame. So I'm going to click on screenshot with the name of tier 1 and the same file, same folder, right? Let me check this out. Where is it? So this is the tier 2, this is the tier 1, right? Next, take still image of the last frame of the clip saved in step 1. So save this image with the name of tier 3. Now we will recover the last frame. Sorry about that. This is the last frame. Click on the screenshot, save it with the name of tier 3. Save this file, right? Guys, so we have now 3 files, tier 1, tier 2, 3. So you have to work with 3 of these, right? Okay, right. So again, point number 4. What she's saying, here the file saved in step 1 to 3 clear convenient. Click to match this storyboard on. That should be displayed in consistent same serif font. So guys, what's the difference between serif and sans serif font? Yeah, right. Can you see, guys? So here is the simple, all simple fonts. Having stand like this, these are the sans serif, of course. He's saying, let me check this out again. Yes. Yeah, here we go. Do it here. So all the simple fonts are sans serif, and the fonts that have these strokes, corners, these are the serifs, right? Thank you. Let's come back to the point. So you're going to make a video. First of all, we do it on settings. We're going to, yeah, I'm going to call the new one. Tier 1. Yeah, okay. And now here, like this, back to the point. We'll start from here. So make sure sensitive font. Okay, I got it. 0 seconds. What we need from 0 seconds? That only was tier 1. This is I'm done with it. And go to caption. Write a caption. Charity event here. At the title in the left top corner. what I will do, if you know the caption and click on the caption, I will paste here, or you can write here as well. Alright, so here will left corner, change color passing. So you make this time should be 3 seconds. Right, make this video tape of 3 seconds. So we do 2 to make this 3 seconds. So alright, here we go. Got it? Alright, so yeah, the title text and the background remain with the subtitle Tawara Orphanage. Add below the title. Time 6 seconds. Right. So what we will do, I will copy this text to okay. A couple of text to for this. The next 3 seconds, I will copy this. Alright, so what I will do, double click on the event, paste this, or you could write here. Okay. Time should be 6 seconds, time was the 6 seconds, right? Okay. Elements added to the, so far we went with the text help to support now. Time 9 seconds. So what we will do, we'll copy this and copy this text to what we will do and copy this text to paste this. Right. So next 3 seconds help us to support that. Copy. Yeah. Paste this. We're talking video of 9 seconds.
What happened? It's just
These are the first 3 seconds. Second half, 3 seconds again, and 3 seconds. Help us support it. Got it, boys? Alright, the next 9 seconds here is media fan TO2 saved as technical one. Yeah. Media files TO2 saved it. The step on starts audio camera. Okay, so we have to get turned to 45 from here. Was 30 seconds. Now we'll get the video with the name of Tier 2. The last video we have saved. Click here to this one. Center number 1 number right, Tier 2. Click on this. This is added. Okay, now on that to music. The code point. It says added N22 MP3. Guys, so this is all fan as well.
this year's charity event is to support the Tawara Elephant Orphanage. These
Good
girls are
luck,
cared
thank
for
you.
until they're old enough to release back into the wild, but they need your support.
Brady. Again, with this done to, the time is 31 seconds. Let me check this out. The time is 31 seconds, right? Okay, bring that. Okay, background image to choice displayed. Okay, try 3. It's fine to get the try 3. This is the good try 3 and end of this. Okay. I will display to appropriately try to scroll screen during the texture file. We have to, the texture kilometers. And so, guys, we have to add to the titles. The fact that I'm spend add it to pie. Doing the tip by anything by. Okay, I told you. What to do?
We get people as you can't buy GBR with you, so we'll those. Taste here.
There's a pet of an estate.
We hear it can't buy.
Yeah.
I make us trying to be good in there.
I don't think we're tired. I should shout it.
Can't buy.
I thought it was. I think we're just hurrying down. That's full cleared.
Then again. Or do you continue by she and me doing right? And I love it. Well, we were back to the little
Michelle. How about that? They took
you need Santa number and all this stuff. So if they do, I will write your name. Yes, see. So we wanted to Santa number is it's actually 5 cents pi. So then we I don't do but the will text this with the text here, which will just black one. Why? Actually, this is the file. Make this tile black, which then I can see on easily. Right?
that's good. Yeah.
Thought it passed. So now, what you can do? There's been profit in all these things I've done, especially developing and before for you the resolution of show. In the by territory and the name toy for followed by the name. We have to say just something like this. Here, followed by toy for, then again, we're going on Saturday, right? So what I'm going to do with the Fury, set this video. Customize to check this train, third train, 7 toy right this is turn. So what I'm going to do, save this, that I can make it chatting with the name of toy for Saint Neighbor or no, the Dolphins. Yes. So guys, this is the last of the video editing sound. May what? I might have become increased to be mentioned and to be out of us. And here we go, guys. So, and open the file folder, toy 4. And open this toy for sending me roll number. This is charity event. Keep watching this. Alright, now okay, 3 seconds.
This year's charity event is to support the
Only last week.
total each.
Yeah.
These animals are cared for until they're old enough for release back into the wild, but they need your support to get the badge in.
Got it? Yeah. So he's going to.
And now, thank you.
This is asking by my YNM and all that. So, thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe if you like this video. Keep in touch. Subscribe my channel as well. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself so much. Thank you so much for watching this video.